Hello, I'm going to jump on here real quick. Yes, the Boeing strike is over. It was bittersweet, but at the same time, when I first woke up this morning and found out that the Boeing strike was over, I was happy, but then on my breaks and stuff, I was starting to notice, the impact that it made here, especially over here in the Pacific Northwest. Because of the raise hike, 17,000 people are going to get laid off. 17,000 human beings, households, people are going to get laid off. That makes me really sad. It's bittersweet. It is. Ta-ta for now.